Hello. Crap. I just finished my Dr. Pepper. If you don't mind. All right. Okay. We are getting sets on desktop today. Ideally. I need a good photo for sets. Maybe I should just use an icon instead. What icons do I have? Book. Does the book look good? Hide that. I think a book looks good for sets. Copy that, paste it in here. And hide the swords. For tactics, what should we do? Need a good icon for tactics. Maybe I should do a list for sets, or should I do a list for tactics? I don't know what would be a good icon for this. That's a graph. That'd be good for stats. Thank you. Maybe two. Let's chat. It's computer. Download. Mail. Visible. Feed. That's a race flag. That'd be good for the time trials. So would the lightning bolt. Files, probably not good for sets. Maybe that would be good for sets and then the book for tactics. That would be to send. That's edit. That's a tutorial. Maybe that would be good. Maybe it's good for now until I get like learnable sets or something. Maybe puzzles. That might be good. Okay. So now I need to add the workflow. Okay, so when tactics is clicked, show tactics list. That is click analytic. So we want this to be blue. So I think I want the main content. You want that to be hidden on load. And then when the default page or whatever, that'll be the default page. Okay. How do I do this without breaking other stuff? So I want the page, let's have a state. Or do I want to navigate somewhere? Do I want to just navigate to a different page? Might be worth navigating on desktop. That might be a little bit easier, that we can hit the back button and stuff. Guess I can always change it later. Let's do sets. Okay. Page will be sets. I should change the message of the day, actually. That way people know what we're doing. Oh, I already had message of the day. Okay. It's going to be getting sets on desktop version. Make that a bit smaller. Yeah, not that small. Like to be that to be bigger, but I need to make it smaller. Okay, why is it going that way? Hopefully that's readable. Should I move that up here? That might be good. Okay. Okay, so we want this to be background color. Then we want to add the header. We want that to be a column. Boom. Okay, and I don't have a footer, right? I do have a footer. I don't want to footer right now. I don't want to deal with that right now. Okay, so now we need the page sets. That is a floating group. Crap. I wanted that to be a group, not a floating group. Crap. So I have to fix this now. So I need this to be a group. I need to go back to the mobile, make sure it didn't break anything. Page index mobile. Go to page index mobile. We want something. Where are the buttons? Okay, when that's the tactics button. Quiz, learn, plus. Oh, this is the sets button now. Whoops. Group sets button. Show element page sets A, which is now a group. So I want that to be in a floating group on this one. Okay, floating group sets. Classroom hiddens, not visible on page load. It's going to be 100% of the page size. Okay, let's make it visible. Let's put page sets in it. Okay. This one is going to be visible. And then we want to show page sets A. This is going to be floating group sets instead. Okay, all this so we can go back to the desktop mode. But I need a close button. Oh, we need this to be aligned to parent. There. There. Let's do from the top 8 pixels, from the right 8 pixels. And when this is clicked, we're going to hide the floating group. And also, when it is clicked, let's just actually edit the icon style. When this icon is pressed, the color is going to be our primary color. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Now on the page sets A, we need to get rid of the close button. I want the top to have a 16 padding. And now let's make sure it didn't break anything. Tsumegodragon.com index-mobile. I want to be on the version test. Okay. Click on sets. Close it. Sets. There. There. Cool. We have 2 close buttons. It's not cool. That is a problem. Hmm. Doesn't have a state either. Okay, what if I add stage page? I'm gonna make this a number. Set the number to 1. Then whenever we click a button, I feel like that's gonna break something. Create a set, close that, and it's no longer there. Yeah, that breaks it. Okay, so we're not gonna hide that. We're just gonna show the pop-up. This is gonna display data in page set, show page set. Page set. It's not a floating group. Yeah, it is a floating group. What the heck? I don't know what to do. I'm getting lost in the weeds. Okay, let's rewind. I click on sets. We open the sets page. What do I want to happen on mobile? I really want to get rid of this X on the mobile devices because I feel like it's just not great. I don't know what I want this to look like. I'm not great at design. I'm getting further and further away from the desktop version. I'm trying to work on the desktop version. I'm getting further away from it. But I need it to be like the same thing, so that way when I change one, it changes for both. Maybe I shouldn't worry about the same thing. What if I undo stuff? Is that okay? Did I fix everything that I just did? Nope. Da 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 da. Oh crap. Da 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 da. The undo button is dangerous. Crap. I done goofed. I gotta refix this. Page sets. Icon close. Wait, let's go to page index. Then we're going to the floating group sets. Let's get rid of that. Let's see if the other stuff is working. How to break it before you publish it. Okay, still gotta fix that though. I think that was a bug that was already published and I just didn't know it. Cool. That is technically fixed. Okay. Problem is, I want all of this to be repeated on the desktop. Let's go to page sets. Let's first make the list of the sets that the user has. Let's bring a table, type of content, Tsumego set, data source, do a search for Tsumego set created by current user. Sort by the name, descending is no. Okay. Table direction vertical. And this should be primary contrast, primary contrast. Okay. We want this centered, fit to content, min width. I don't know, 425. It's a generic number. Min height, 50. We want borders. Okay, we want the table to have borders. Okay. So we got that. That's doing good. Why is that not hiding? Okie dokie. See you in 5. Okay. Now I'm still learning how to use this row thing since it's a new thing. So we want the name of the set, how many problems it has, and to be able to edit the set, which that'll be a different one. So we probably just want 2 columns. Um, I forget how to do this. Okay, one of these does the columns, one of these does the rows. Okay, so we want vertical columns. Where's the blasted settings? Here we go. Add static row. We want to remove a static row. Let's go to here. There we go. Click that. Okay. So now we have 2. So in this one, we want to have a text element. This is going to be name. I think we want everything to have a padding. Nope. Okay. Then this one. I want the cell to have a padding. The name. What the fudge? Okay, margin then. The name. So the second row is going to be num. We'll do number. Maybe a hashtag will work for that. Oh, I see. I did it on this one. Okay, in each row, we want to have it's going to be current rows Tsumego set name. And this one, the margin. This is going to be current row Tsumego set Tsumego cards count. Okay, what does that look like? That's not what I wanted to happen. The test sets are there though. That's good. Okay, min width. That's not ideal. Okay. How do I set this to be whatever this is? Okay, this is going to be fit width to content. Fit width to content. Fit width to content. Okay, so let's make this one. I'm getting confused on columns and rows. Columns and rows is confusing. That's not what I was hoping for. No, there's a way to do it. I just gotta remember how to do it. Okay, let's go 200 for now. And this one, I want it to be a minimum. I just learned this like a week or two ago. I already forgot it. Okay, canvas placeholder. We'll put 1000. Let's actually format it. Format it as 0 decimals. 1000 separator is a comma. Okay, and then that's the placeholder. See, the issue is not the technology. It is the user of the technology. I don't know. I don't know. Is it this? Can I drag? Yeah. Yeah. There's always that thing of it has too many features. You can't figure out how to use the one you're looking for. All right. Let's get back to it. This one's also in beta though, so it's kind of like not perfect yet. How does the table work? It's container, similar to repeating groups. So columns, static rows. Columns are neatly aligned to content in each row cell. Is it though? Is it really? The table element is made up of 4 parts: column, static rows, repeating rows, and individual cells. Static rows. And then we have repeating rows or dynamic rows. And the cells. Yeah, that's all great and all, but how do I like limit the size? I need the size. Starting from a blank page, yada yada yada. 3 columns, 1 static row, and 1 repeating row. Start turning this blank table into our employee roster. First, let's expand it a bit. We only need 1 static row, but we'll need to add a few more columns by hovering and clicking the plus icon. Yep, did that. Know how to do that. Hello, Cthulhu. I'm trying to get sets on desktop version. So the cells have shrunk to fit within... Wait. We haven't set this table up to be responsive. So the cells have shrunk to fit within its fixed width. Select the table again and adjust its layout settings to allow it to stretch to a max width. Oh. Okay. Let me do that. Okay. So let's do a max width of 600. And uncheck that. Okay. Oh. Great. Now you'll name your column and headers. We can manipulate the settings. You can manipulate the settings of multiple cells by holding Shift and selecting them all. Cool. Cool. To access the dynamic data, we need to set 2 things for a table: elements, the content, and the source. Okay. Users, blah, blah, blah. Yep. It's your dynamic data. Now we're ready to add elements to each cell and define the dynamic data. Okay. Our tables coming together. Let's just one more thing, which is row count. Okay. Yeah, know how to do this. Spacing per table relative to the page. All right, I think that's what I want. Click that. Okay. Wait, whoa. I missed the step. Go back. Hold on. You skipped the very important step that I was looking for. Go back. Go back. I was in fact not ready. What? How did you do it? Theirs works and mine doesn't. That's not fair. I missed something. What did I miss? What did I miss? No, you're good. I'm using a version test, so it's not being published live. I have to actually push the publish. This is all happening on the version test. So you can use it as much as you want. Like, my edits don't go live until I push them live. This is driving me nuts. Okay. Huh? Can I go here? Min width. Make this element a fixed width. Fit width to content. Aha! Aha! This checky box. It's the checky box. That's what I needed. Boom! Got it. Got it. Okay. So for these, I want a margin of 16 on both sides. For these, I want a margin on both sides. I found the checky box. Cool. I need this actually to be in multiple languages. So we need app, text, name? Yeah, name. Okay. And we want this first row. Background style to be a flat color. We want it to be the surface. Go back to this. Yay! It looks like something. Okay. See, here's the part that I suck at. Designing it. I can make it do the thing, but I can't make it look good. That's my problem. That is my problem. Is it showing this top pixel? On my preview, it's not showing the top border, but there is a top border. I think it's because it's 1 pixel, and computers don't know how to handle 1 pixel. Or like streams, I guess. This is all 1 pixel. It all looks good on here. Okay, how do I make it look good? So I'm probably going to want this to be clickable. Do I want the whole row to be clickable? Probably, right? Oh, man. I suck at design. Okay. Tables. UI design. Give me inspiration. If we wanted to select multiple tables, that would be good. If we had to drop down. Yeah. We don't need an ID. We don't really need a percentage for the sets. Okay, so this one's kind of what mine looks like. Ooh, I like this one. I like this one. I like this one. Come back, image thing that I'm stealing. Wait, where'd you go? Where did you go? What? How did I link to an image but the image doesn't exist? Okay, whatever. I got inspiration. So we're gonna do this. Do I have padding? Yeah, we do. Okay, so let's do 32, 32, 32, 32. The appearance is going to be a background, which is going to be a surface. Then the top row is going to be nothing, and then the repeating rows are going to be the background color. And now I need the border though. So I need the border back. So let me lower the thing and then put it in a group and have the group handle the color. None there. Group elements in a column. I don't care. We're going to name this group table. Hit the contents, and then we are going to put padding 32, 32, 32, 32. We're going to make the background style this color. And then I actually don't want colors. I just want the left. Oh, I want the cells to handle that actually. They can't handle it. Crap. I can do the separators. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, okay. We're going to get rid of the margins. We're going to add padding instead. And now on the left, we're going to put a line. Okay, does this look how I want it to look? Well, the line needs to go to the top and the bottom, so we gotta make that work. It's kind of getting there. It's kind of getting there. This is a column, right? Yeah, we want it to be a column. Okay. This needs to do that. We need to center the text vertically. And now it should be up and down. Perfect. And then on the right, we need to do the exact same thing we just did. Okay, and then max up and down, and then we need to center it vertically. Add border, add one to the right. Okay, now I just need the border at the bottom. I need the last one. Okay, so let's go to okay, so we're gonna say when current rows when this row okay, can't do that. Current row's index is this table's fudge. What's the max row? How do I get the max row? Wait. I don't need that. I just need to do this. Okay, and then the border on the bottom. All right. Oh, there's a singular pixel. Come on. Come on. Where's that pixel coming from? Oh, what a punk. I also need to get rid of that line. Ah, what a freaking punk. Where's that freaking pixel coming from? Okay, let's get rid of these. Okay, and now I want the cells to handle it. Okay, so on this one, we want the border style top to be a solid. Same with this one. Why is there one pixel? Why is there one pixel right here? Oh, it's testing my my patience limits. Ah, it's one blasted pixel. It's so aggravating. But it's gonna drive me nuts if I leave that pixel there. Top to the right. Top to the left. Mm-hmm. It's just the last one. Why? Why is it just the last one? See, I'm gonna be bald by the time I'm old because I'm gonna rip all my hair out from coding. There's no reason it should have that extra pixel. One pixel here. One pixel here. Top and right. Left and top. Bottom. What if I just get rid of that? It's still freaking there. Where's it coming from? Where's this pixel coming from? Why is it one pixel off only on the last row? Coding pains. Okay. I also want buttons. I want a group up here. It's going to be group top row. It's going to be a row. Da-da-da. Da-da. Da-da. We are going to put text in here. It is going to be section heading. It's going to be app text. Sets. This is going to be just the size of the text. It's gonna be at the top. Then we're going to have a button. This is going to be create set. App text. Create a set. Okay, we are going to make this wide. I'm going to do a column gap. 64. Let's see how this looks. That button's huge. Oh yeah, I'm zoomed in. That would explain it. I forgot I zoomed in. Oh hey, the pixel's gone. So it's only when I zoom in that it's there. Well, that's frustrating. Okay. Now in this one, it's a lot wider. But it doesn't need to be wider. Center that vertically. Okay. How does it look? Does it look passable? And then I want the create a set pop-up. And then when I click this button, show the pop-up, create a set. Yay! This is a new set. Yay! It's there. Wait, why is that not centered? I thought I centered that text. No, this text needs to be at the top. Let's make the top heading 16 instead. Feels passable. What do you guys think? I think it looks okay. Do I want another one? Like this one has one called View. Hello, waifu. Should I add a button right here? Or should I just make the row clickable? I think adding a button might be nice. Okay, so let's add a row. I mean a column. And do whatever I just did. Because I don't know what I just did. We want okay. This is a column. Cannot make that first, can I? Can't drag and drop these, unfortunately. But let's go ahead and do this. We want this one to have text. Why is it 0 pixels? What the fudge? Actually, copy that. Paste. This is going to be what? Nothing. Okay, got it. We're just gonna make this min width 50 pixels. Why is it showing? Why is it showing up? I want this to be view. Why isn't it showing up? What am I doing wrong? Am I doing something wrong again? What? No, that is, it just hasn't been 24 hours yet. Did not get a new sub yet. But it hasn't reset yet either. Okay, I have done something wrong and I don't know what. Mm-hmm. 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 Hmm. So for some reason, aha, this little checky box. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. But I also need this to go up and down. Center the text vertically. Now, as I recall, I have to put on some border somewhere. The right and the top. Okay. So right, solid 1 pixel. Put us all top, solid 1 pixel. Nope. I need padding, not margin. Padding, not margin. There's a difference. Okay. Now I've done something wrong here. Da-dum, da-dum, dum, dum. All right. I think I want a little bit more padding on this one. So let's go 24, 24. What do you guys think? I need UI feedback. Does it look like crap or does it look okay? I think I want this text. Let's make it the primary color. Or is that not good? That doesn't look good. What about a link color? Oh, I need the app text. App text. Do I have a view? Load. Crap. Okay, gotta make another word for the translator. This is going to be view.
I think something's up with your notifications.
What's wrong with my notifications?
The prime's up and it didn't go doot.
I didn't go dude.
Nope. How dare. I was hoping it would make you smile.
Hasn't shown me any dudes. Might take a minute. Because it is not in the activity feed. And in Twitch, it is not in the activity feed either. So it's not my alerts. It is the dude. Yeah, you are not in here just yet.
Well, I clearly have the emotes.
Don't know what to tell you. All right, this is going to say there's no translation. Because I have to add the translation. Settings, languages. All is going to be all. Oh, wait, no, that's Spanish. I need to go to English. That's freaking Spanish still. What the fudge? Oh, whoops. Okay. I need to change this one down here. English. Okay, and that was a V. View. Okay. Now the English should be view. Or should the word be load? Da, 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 da. Okay. Is there anything else I want to do this? I think it looks okay. I want to say it looks okay. All right, now do it again. I want these to be grouped in a row. And I want it to be 64. And then I want this row to center the elements. Cool. And I want this group to be a Tsumego set, or a set. Okay, when this group's Tsumego set is not empty, show it. And it's going to start hidden. Uh-oh. Oh, I put it on the wrong freaking thing. Okay. Copy, remove. Clear this out. And we go to the actual group that needs to do it. Which this is going to be a group set. And this group's Tsumego set is not empty, show it, and this is going to be hidden by default. Okay, cool. Now, when I click view, we are going to display data in the group set. It's going to be current rows Tsumego set. Yay, and it shows. Now I also want the view to be underlined when it's hovered. This text is hovered. We want it to be underlined. Cool. There we go. Now in the second set, I want the name to be parent groups thing. What I want this to be parent groups Tsumego set. Want the text to be parent groups Tsumego set name. I want this to be start. I don't know what I want it to be yet. To be determined. Let's just see what that looks like. View. Okay. So this is going to be the problems in the set. Okay, so this table is going to be Tsumego. Tsumego. This is going to be parent group Tsumego set, Tsumego cards. We want this to be Tsumego cards. And we want it to be sorted by the index. Descending equals no. Okay, so this one is going to be group sets. No. I need to do something. I don't know what I need to do. Okay, so I got the name right here. I want this to be, I guess, the problem ID. Actually, let's make this not translation first. This is going to be reorder. We want this one to be an icon. CSQ brow. It'll be this icon. I think that's a good icon. Okay, let's put the padding. $50. Nope, let's make it 40 by 40. How's that look? Okay, looks decent. And then table. It's not what's handling the bottom. What's handling the bottom? Table set. Okay. This one is not handling it. This one is not handling it. Icon, nope. Text current rows. Ah, there it is. No, that's that one. What's handling the line under this one? I don't know. There's a line under it though. Hmm. I wonder if there's a, if I can just copy this from the mobile one. Uh, that's the edit set. Page set. Let's try that actually. Go to the page set. Let's make that invisible for now. We want to use the re-element set page set. Oh, fudge, it's a floating group. Okay, what if I data source group set when this custom element when group sets Tsumego set is not empty. This element is visible. See what that looks like. Okay, that's what it looks like. I hate it. I hate it. You can reorder it. So that's nice. But I need that to work on desktop. Okay, so I hate that. Let's steal the element then. Let's copy that. Go back to sets. Go into the second set. Make it visible again. And instead of this. Let's paste the repeating group. Data source is going to be parent group Tsumego set. Tsumego cards. How does that look? Passable. Definitely not perfect. Okay. So now I want the background of this. Oh, man. To be that. View. No, that's not what I wanted. I want that color. Oh, there's no problems in that one. Okay. I'm actually gonna have this. I think I'm gonna have this do a little animation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the width max width 0. Nope, wrong one. Actually, let's fix the issue first. If, yeah, okay. Clear that. Edit me, that'll work. Why isn't it there? Button, blah, blah, blah. There we go. Button, let's go temp text. There we go, temporary text. Okay. Go to the set. We want the opacity to be 0%. We want the max width to be 0. Then we want to get rid of the left thingamajig. So let's go negative 32. Is it 64? Negative 64. Okay. And that should still be centered now. There we go. It's centered. And then when this one, and oh wait, we need that to be visible. It's still centered. Not quite. That's 64. So let's go negative 65. Maybe that'll center it. One can only hope. Okay, and then when this one, we want the opacity to be 100% again. And then we want the max width to be infinite. See if that works. Perfect. And then we want the margin left to be 0. Let the other thing handle it. And now I want the transition of the width to do that. Okay, let's see if it works. Nope, instant. 600. That was cool, but that one did not look good. Okay, the group does it. Hmm. Can I make the opacity in animation 2? Opacity, make it 500. I think that did it right. Can't tell. All right, let's go top row. It's going to be invisible until the group set opacity. I can't do that, apparently. Width is greater than, let's say, 200. This element's visible. Same thing with that one. Now let's see if I can get rid of that jumpity jump. Ah, still looks like crap. Wait, well, awkward. Okay. Let's make it visible then. Let's maybe make the opacity 0 then. That way, we don't see it doing all the weird junk. Opacity is going to be 100. It's not perfect. Maybe I'm stressing too much. It's pretty decent. This top stuff. Let's do the exact same thing on this one then. Let's make it visible. Okay, let's see what happens. That's something. It's not the worst thing in the world. Okay, now I want this to look better. So let's go to this. Put that condition on. Ideally. Dang it. Wait. I need that one to be on too. There we go. Okay, now we want this repeating group. We want its max width to be 600. And then we got the drop area. This one, we actually don't. Let's do 25. Don't need. We can actually put the amount of stars now on this one since it's not mobile. Let's go copy. Paste. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's get rid of that number. Okay. They all need to be collapsed while hidden. Probably should have done that before I copy pasted them. Bada bum, bada bum. Bada bum, bada bum. Okay, and now they all gotta be invisible. Really should have done this before I copy pasted. Okay, now we want conditional. When paragraph Tsumego set card level is greater than some sort of next is greater than equal to 1, then this star is visible. Now we put them on all the stars. The copy paste hindsights. Boom. 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 Okay, and now we want that one to be 1, this one to be 2, this one to be 3, this one to be 4, this one to be 5, this one to be 6, this one to be 7, this one to be 8. I swear coding could be ASMR. Cool. Booyah. And you can drag and drop them. Don't like that green thumb though. Thought I would like that more, but I do not. Well, that's not working. The drag and drop doesn't work. Oh, because I don't have the freaking functions set up on this page. I gotta copy paste the functions. Okay. We want this one. This icon is hovered. We want the icon to be a trash can. Because that is the delete button. Yeah, that is the remove button. Maybe we should do it the other way. Or just have a trash can in general. Maybe just make it, maybe just make it change color. And we should actually increase the distance between the objects. Okay, that looks good. The repeating groups do not look good though. Okay, borders. Do the borders look good now? Yes, the borders look good now. All right, do I want to do a view thing like I did in the other one? I think so. I think I do. Okay. So now then let's copy this text, paste it into this group. Let's put it as a second item. gonna be view. Let's make this do that. And that. Okay, and then this one, we should make it fit. This one, we need to get rid of the borders. This one actually should have a border, though. On the right. How does this look? I missed a border. View. No borders. Yeah. Actually, I don't need view because I just need the load button up here. I don't need view. What am I doing? What am I doing? Because this is going to be the load button. Okay. We want all of this to stretch to its max width. Anything else that I need? I think I want this to be like that. Let's see how that looks, because I want these to be lined up. There we go. There we go. Okay, I think that looks good. Trash can be smaller, though. Let's make this 25 by 25. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, I think that looks good. Now I gotta make all the buttons work. So for this one, I think I want... What do I want the word to be? I think I want it to be load set. Oh, no, not that one, not that one. We want to do app text. Gonna be load. Gonna be define another text. Load set. Okay. Let's go into the language settings. Go to L. Load set. One of these days I need to do the other languages too. Load set. There we go. Boom. Okay, we need this to actually be invisible if there's no button, if it's empty. When parent root Tsumego set Tsumego cards count is 0, this element is not visible. Okay, I think that's looking pretty good. Now, at some point, I can make a Go problem page where you can just click on the individual problem. Cannot do that at the moment. I should also get rid of the click. What is happening with the click? Yeah, remove that. Hello, Amaranths. Okay, there it is. And with 0, it's not there. Actually, let's just make this view not visible when it has 0. Or make it not clickable. So when the Tsumego set cards count is 0, when it's empty, this element isn't clickable. Underline is going to be no, that way it doesn't pretend to be clickable. And we're going to say the opacity is going to be 50%. Because there's no problems in that set. There has to be problems in the set. Why is... the name. Okay, now to get all the freaking functions working. Okay, so I gotta go to this other one, and then I gotta copy paste the functions. Page set, workflow, lower index, raise index. I wish I could select these. Okay, so let's copy, go to set, paste, go to set, copy, go to sets, paste, go to set, copy, go to sets, paste. Okay. Okay. List to change is going to be group set Tsumego set. And not what I wanted to happen. Oh, list the chain is going to be the card set. Okay. Tsumego set card Tsumego. No? No, I just select the card. Got it. Type of thing, Tsumego set card, current, Tsumego sets. What am I'm misthinking. My thinking is I'm missing. Okay, so I need the card. Type of thing, list to change. Tsumego set card. Repeating group. This? Aha, okay. Okay. Okay, I think that's right. Paste. Thing to change. Thing to change. Thing to change. Okay. Okay. What happens when I do anything? I actually don't know if it's fixed or not. Okay, let's load this. Grab 88,000. Change it here. Nothing happened. Okay, it's not working yet. We want the drop area, Tsumego set card type of thing. Tsumego set card, find color purple. Okay, so when I drop it, this is going to be raise the indexes of the cards. So it's making a change to a list. And this list is repeating groups, Tsumego set cards. Okay, we are changing the indexes of the cards to raise and lower the indexes. So the repeating group with a list of Tsumego set cards, so it's a list change. If the index equals its current index plus 1, current will flow Tsumego set cards index is greater than this drop area, and this one's lower than this drop area. Then we want to make a change to thing to change parent groups Tsumego set card. Current workflow Tsumego set card. Current workflow Tsumego set card. Current workflow Tsumego set card. And as you can see, I have clearly broken the indexes. Okay, so I gotta fix this. Let's go to this one first. 71740. Okay, I'm raising the indexes. But I'm not switching the problem. Confusion. I am confusion. Thing to change. Current workflows. Tsumego set cards. So the current one that got dropped. See if that fixes it. The indexes are going crazy. Oh no. Oh, what's wrong? When it gets dropped. The Tsumego card that I dropped has fallen into a drop zone. Now we're going to grab all of the Tsumego cards. Where the index... Hold on. We're changing a list of things. We're grabbing all of the cards. And we're making all the cards' indexes go up by 1. That's not right. Only when the index is greater. than where I dropped it. I need to add a filter, I think. Let me go look at the other one. Page set. Yep. Need a filter. Need a filter. Need a filter. Parent group Tsumego. Okay, so it needs to be greater than something. And less than the current card. And this one's the opposite. Greater than the current card and less than the other. Ah, this is so confusing. Reordering indexes all at once is hard. Paste. Repeating group Tsumego set card. That's filtered. Parent groups. Is it just done? Can I just leave that one? Okay, that one's the first one. Let's go to the second one. Maybe we can just copy paste my way out of this. Copy. Paste. Repeating group. Okay. Let's see what happens. The problem is these indexes are all messed up. Okay, so -6 and -5. So 3, 2, 4, 5, 0. I wanted to go here. It did not. I went to -7 instead. Okay, so it was -5. I dropped into the -6. So -5 is less than -6. So it took all the indexes greater than current card's index and less than parent group's Tsumego index. So nothing happened. That one just didn't run. So the parent group's, the drop area, its index got raised by 1 only when the index is greater. So the index was less than. So I think I'm editing the wrong thing. We want paragroups, so we want the drop area to go up and down. And then we want this one to be what the drop areas thing is. Let's go to that one. That one's all butchered. So these should switch places now. Okay, so 3, 2, 4, 5, 0 is at -7. 3, 2, 4, 5, 0 is at -7 still. Crap. Well, the other one was at -7, so that makes sense. Okay, so this one is less than that one. No. -7 is greater than -8. I know how, I think that's how negatives work. But this is going the wrong direction then. Which direction are you going? Tsumego set cards. sorted by the index. Descending is no. Okay, so 71740. So when I switch, these should still be -8, -7, but they should switch places. -8, -8. Oh, what? Yeah. Okay, now they're both -8, so something didn't fire right. This is +1, -1. I want to cry. Tears +2. Okay, so the drop area's index was -7. And so I took a -8 and dropped it onto a -7. So the -8 or the -7 was greater than the -8. So it took everything greater than -8 and less than -7 and changed, but there wasn't any. Same with that one. So this one, the dropped -7 is greater than parent groups set cards index. Parent group set card index. Card sales index. Parent groups their index. Reordering lists is confusing, especially when you've already butchered them. Okay, technically nothing's happening because they're both the same index, which is not good. Let's go to this one. Okay, -2 and -4. They should switch, or 2 and 4. Now they should switch places. 2 and 3. Interesting. So 7460. Are people really going to want to reorder their list? Really? Is that something they're going to want to do? How important is this feature? I am questioning life decisions. Is this feature really that important? Okay, let's go in the data and fix the indexes first. Okay, let's make this one 1. And this one. Hey, thank you for the raid. This one 2. You are here to watch me cry as I try to figure out how to reorder numbers. Okay, so we got 1 and 2. I'm trying to reorder these numbers. So that way you can drag and drop and reorder your list. But I keep not doing that. Okay, 740 and 450 are supposed to switch places. They did, but now they're both 1. Why are they both 1? Okay, so that one's 1. What was the number? 450, 740. 740 is right here. 450 is right here. It's not. What the fudge? And what the fudge is happening? How are they both 1 if the database says they're 1 and 2? Ah. These sets are confusing. All to make it so people can reorder their Tsumego set problems in the order that they want. Okay. Gotta muscle through this. I took index 1, dropped it onto index 2. Okay. So the dropped Tsumego is greater than, no, it was less than. It was less than 2. 1 is less than 2, guys. 1 is less than 2. I'm remembering math. 1 is less than 2, so the current dropped Tsumego is not greater than, so this one's the one that runs. 1 is less than 2, so this one is the one that runs. So the dropped area Tsumego, its index is going to lose 1. So in other words, 2 is going to minus down to 1. And then this one, oh my gosh. I set it to its own freaking index. It goes to the dropped areas, the current cells index. I literally set the index to itself. No wonder it wasn't changing. Okay, so let's change that one. Okay, 740 should switch places now. 1, 2. They're switching. Hallelujah freaking Luya. What about the other direction? They're switching. There's a number 1 and a number 2. Hallelujah. All right, now to try it with multiple. Okay, guys. 1 is less than 2. And if you set it equal to itself, the number doesn't change. We have learned things. Okay, so this one and this one. That one and that one. That one and that one. I just gotta fix all the indexes. Boom. 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 Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I take 15,000, switch it with, or drop it right here. That goes up, pushes all of them up. 15,000 is the number 5. Okay. Okay. Now what happens if I go the other direction? I put it at number 2. Yay! It works. It works. It's amazing what happens when you don't get your formulas wrong. Oh, math class. I still hate you. Math tortures me even after I graduated from high school. How dare. Okay. Okay, now the problem is, at some point, I'm going to need to load the problems in this list. So that way the users know which order they're going in. But probably the stars, they'll just order it how they want. I don't freaking know. They can figure it out. I'll do more stuff later. Now I got to load the set. Okay. So I need to grab the Go problem. Go on. We want the floating group Gobon. I'm assuming we want the same one as mobile, right? No, I'm probably wrong. Get the freaking one for freaking desktop and hope it doesn't freaking break. Okay. Why is it pushing everything down? Fit height to content, fit width to content. Center it. Okay, I know this is a column. What the heck is happening? Everything's being pushed down. What the fudge? All right, so we're going to expand it all the way. The max width of 1280. We're going to wonder about why it's doing that and question our life decisions. So I guess let's go into the reusable element. Min height, min width. So it should be fitting every freaking thing. What the fudge? Okay, it does push it down. Cool. Cool. Beautiful. There's a black go board though. That's not beautiful. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go back to the sets. Go back to the sets. Now, this Gobon group is going to be invisible. We are going to say when you load the set, when you click the button will set the set. Display list. Apparently not. Set state. There we go. Go on group. Index is going to be 1. Tsumego. Does it take it a Tsumego? Gobon group. Crap. Where do I set the list? Does it only take one Tsumego at a time? That would suck. Whatever. I'm getting my mobile. Screw this. I haven't touched the desktop in a minute. I'm getting the mobile Gobon. Gobon mobile. Yeah. Wait, I don't need that one. I need the thing that the mobile is using. Gobon group version 2. There we go. There we go. Okay, now center that. Max width 1280. We are going to say the data is, what is it? It is the Tsumego card set, list of Tsumego cards, item number. Where am I storing the number? Gobon groups. Index. Okay, let's set the number. So we are going to set the state of the Gobon group. We're going to set the index to 1. We are going to set the Tsumego to parent group Tsumego sets Tsumego cards each item Tsumego. And then we are going to show Gobon group version 2. And this is going to be invisible. Let's see what happens. Let's view this list. Let's load that set. There's a Go board. And we got an error. Cannot read properties of null. Okay, it looks like he's trying to do it on load. Oh, man. Okay, so it looks like it's trying to look for a Go problem on the page load, which means I can't freaking do this. Why? It's invisible. It shouldn't be loading anything. Maybe it's trying to load in background regardless if it's visible or not. Okay, what if I put it in a group? Okay. This is not going to be visible. But now we're going to make this one visible. And this is group F. So I'm going to show group F instead. Does that change anything? Do I still get an error? I still get an error. It wants the Go problem as soon as the page loads. The annoying part is I'm the one who set this up. I'm the one who told it to look for the Go problem on page load. I just realized you don't really need this menu. You could just click load right here and then have another one that says edit, and you could edit the order over here. Okay, thoughts for the future. Go board, I need you to work. Stop doing what I tell you to do and do what I want you to do. What if I add a delay? No, that doesn't do anything because it's doing it on page load. Does that do anything? All right. How did I build this thing? Let's go to desktop. Wait. Wait. After it has the Go problem, I think I need to tell it to load the problem. Well, that didn't work. Hmm. Okay. We are going to go into the Gobon group. We're going to say what happens on page load. Page is loaded. Does not call the Go board at all. Nothing happens on page load. So why? Why is it doing that? It should not be doing that, but it's doing it. Hmm. Hide. Show. Set the index and then show. Let's add a delay just in case. Delay of 1 second. I need a blowtorch so I can light this Go board on fire. It's supposed to just work. It's supposed to just work. Okay, well, let's try a different elements. Maybe I have the orders different. Gobon, let's do floating group Gobon. Yay! All right, let's see what happens when I do this. Okay, we are going to set the state of the Gobon. We do index is 1, and the Tsumego list is the list of Tsumegos. And then we are going to show the Gobon. See what happens here. Nothing. Why? Why? Oh, hey, the refresh button worked. What the fudge? Oh, I forgot to click load the Tsumego. Trigger an event from the Gobon. Load Tsumego. Hey, it worked. What are the odds? Okay, now I need to do that exact thing with not the mobile Go board. Okay. Page, Go on. Page is loaded. That's Tsumego list in the index. That's Tsumego. Does a bunch of stuff. Sets the stuff, waits a second, does the duh. This is Gobon Group version 2. So why the flip did it not work when I used it? Okay. Gobon Group version 2. You're hidden. Do not load in the background if you can, please. Now we're going to do the exact same thing, except we're going to do it to you. Please, oh, 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 please, dang it. What's the difference? There's a difference between mobile and desktop, but I cannot figure out what the difference is. I don't know what to do. How do I fix this? Let's go on group version 2. So what is the difference? What oh what could be the difference? I don't know what the difference is. Okay. Let's try a different Go board. Gobon Group version 1. See if this works. Center it, collapse, hide it. When we click load, we're going to set the state of the freaking Go board. Or not. We're going to set the data of the freaking Go board. Display data. Gobon group. Pairing Tsumego set. Tsumego cards. Tsumego. Item number 1. If I can just get one Go problem to load, maybe I can go from there. View. No, I set the data, but I need to like load the problem. Okay, we displayed the data, add a pause, and also need to show it. Show the Gobon group. Then we are going to run the load Tsumego. Boom, boom. Oh, so close. So freaking close. So freaking close. It's so close to working. Why didn't it work? Ah. He's got a 3-star problem. What the heck? What problem is here? Okay. Let's go to group set, maybe? Tsumego set. Tsumego cards, each item's Tsumego first item. Maybe I was just doing it wrong. Why is it a 3-star problem? There's only 2-star problems in here. I don't even know where it's getting the problem from. It doesn't matter. I've got to use the Gobon group version 2 because that has all of the freaking updated data. Just got to figure out what I'm doing wrong. Gobon group version 2. Center it. I've got to do it on this one. It's the only option because I have all the data. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to like duplicate a bunch of data. So we're gonna set the index to be 1. We're gonna set the Tsumego each item Tsumego. Just in case for the future, we'll set the comment to empty. Now we're going to show Gobon group. Now we are going to load the Tsumego. Now please, oh please, won't you work? Yeah, I didn't think so. Coding sucks. Why do I like doing this to myself? Why do I enjoy building these things? I just torture myself like all day. Display data. Into the coupon. Pairs mix set. Tsumego cards. Each item Tsumego. First item. Show the coupon. Run a event. Load Tsumego. I got errors, so this is probably not going to work. Whoa, it worked! Wow! I can't believe that worked. Yay! I don't know why it worked, but it worked. All right. Okay. Don't know why that worked. Do not know why that worked. All right, so now we just need to store the index somewhere. This is how many states, right? No? Okay. Where do I want to store the index? Let's store the index on the set. I'm going to set the index here. We're going to do a number. And the number value is going to be 1. Okay, so when that loads a set, we are going to set the state of the set to 1, and then we're going to load the Tsumego. Let's make a custom event. Custom event, create a custom event. Load Tsumego. We're gonna take in a index. Yeah, see that? And then we're going to trigger a custom event from the Go button. Let's Tsumego, and then first we have to display the data. Custom Go button. This is going to be group sets, Tsumego sets, Tsumego cards, each item Tsumego, item number, set, index. Then we're going to load it. Okay. Now we're going to trigger a custom event, and it's going to be load Tsumego. Index, it's going to be parent group Tsumego sets. Nope. We want group set. Index. Now it should do the exact same thing it just did. Nothing should be different. All right. Okay. So now I need to listen for when a Go problem is solved. So every time the Gobon correct event is yes, I'm going to set it to no. Clear the comment, question mark. Let's just leave it at that for now. And then we are going to load the next problem. No, we have to raise the index and then load the next problem. So we're going to set the state of the group set index to be group sets index plus 1. And then we're going to load Tsumego. We actually don't need the index, do we? No, I don't actually use it. Okay. So now it should load the next problem after you solve it. Loads that problem. Da 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 da. Correct. Load the next problem. Da 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 da. Hallelujah freaking Luia. Awesome. No. All right, now I need a menu to refresh it so I can like reset the problem. Okay. That worked though. That's great. That's fantastic. What do I want the menu to do though? I know I want the list, whatever. So we want Tsumego list, which I believe is going to be that star thing. So let's go here. We're going to do load. We're going to display. No, we're going to set a state of Tsumego list. And this is going to be Tsumego list. Thank you for the follow, Amuse28
just followed.
It's going to be pairing a Tsumego set, Tsumego cards, each item Tsumego. Okay. And we can actually let this handle the index, now that I think about it. Index number 1. And then we're going to show it. Bada-bum, bada-bum. View, load set. Where's it at? Oh, it's down here. Well, that's not right. Okay, we want this to be the top. And then we want to lower it by 50 pixels for the header. There's some pro level problems in the app. There's plenty of like hard problems on the app. The tricky part is when new problems are added, sometimes the ELO of the problem gets set to like max. So you have to go in there and like I have to go in there and reset them back down. So there is some really easy problems in the hard problems that sometimes that will happen, but I'm slowly working through all of them and fixing them. But there is some mid-dawn, high-dawn, and pro-level problems. I don't know which problems are the pro-level problems, but there are pro-level problems somewhere. There's also some Ghost Sagan problems in there somewhere. So yeah, there's hard problems. It's just not perfect yet. Everything's not perfect yet. It is still early. It's got single-digit Q problems too. Like it goes from like brand new player. Honestly, the single-digit Q problems are the one that's got the most of, because most of the customers currently are single-digit Q players. So it's got hundreds of single-digit Q problems. Okay. Oh, all right, that worked. Okay, so it's supposed to have a 50 pixel gap, and it does not. Oh, because I put it on the bottom instead of the top, because I'm smart. Yeah, 50. Now that should, in theory, keep the header visible. Yes, perfect. Look how beautiful that lined up. All right, now I do need to lower the go board though. So let's put top margin. Let's say what is it? 30. It's 32 from the header, so we need 14. So let's do. So we want a 32 gap from that. So let's just do 50. Close enough. I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks pretty good. That's not great. Ooh, why did I make everything floating groups? Who thought that was a good idea? It works great on mobile. Uh, did you go to sumegodragon.com and open in browser? And then click tactics? I swear to goodness, if something's broke. I don't know, it works for me. Works just fine for me. Making eyes. Load Tsumego. They're always black to play. So, boom, boom, boom. Uh-huh. Next. Next. Don't you lag on me. Oh, I have my auto next turned off. I don't know. Da-da-dun, da-da-dun, da-da-dun. There we go. There we go. Yeah, get that auto next going. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da. Da. So here. 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 Haha. That's odd. It should have an easier time on Chrome than Edge. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. I try to make everything as easy as possible. But it is available for mobile, and technically I do the mobile stuff first, and then I update the desktop version to catch up because most of the users are on mobile. But yeah, I'm keeping up with desktop too because apparently a lot of people are using desktop. And when you do problems, you can go to your profile and buy a dragon. You can buy dragons and set them as your profile picture. Ooh, I have enough coins. I'm going to buy another dragon. I got Puddle. I thought I already had Puddle. Maybe I didn't have Puddle. All right, so let's set Puddle. And let's change the background. No, Starry Sky. That looks nice. Oh crap! Has the session limit got raised to 50? Yeah. Yeah, I think you can do 50 an hour on desktop. I don't think I haven't been able to change over the permissions to what the mobile can do, but it should still be 50 an hour. Maybe is this really that big of a deal? It really bugs me, but I don't want it to delay the release of this. Oh, it bugs me so much. What if I put the header in a floating group? Then it'll move with it, and that would look good. Okay, let's do floating group. We're going to make this column. We're going to make it visible on page load all the way across. Min height 50. And we are going to put the header in it. All right, let's see if that actually fixes that. That would be really cool if it fixed it. Oh, fudge. There's no gap. Okay. Padding. Top 64. Yeah, I want that to be bigger. Let's do, let's add 30 to it, so 94. It's okay, it's acceptable. View the set, load the set. Hey, but now the GoProm needs to go down too. Scroll, yeah, there we go. I like that. Now it doesn't look like crap. Now it does not look like crap. Okay, that's fantastic. So let's put this one at 72. I love how I'm just throwing numbers out there. It's gonna need to be more than 72. Yeah. So it needs to at least be 100. So let's do 132 because margins. And then let's see how that looks. Looks pretty good. Boom. Boom. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, so now I need to use this to manage the indexes and stuff for me. Okay, it's gonna be index 1. Show the Tsumego list. Set states, don't care. Gobon. Data display. It's gonna display the first item. It's fine. Show it, load it. Okay, now when a correct... Wait. When I said load it, it's fine. Yeah, we're good. Now on a correct event, we're going to change the list to the list index +1. I'm going to trigger load Tsumego. Now load Tsumego is going to get Tsumego cards each item's item number. Actually, no, I want the Tsumego list to handle that. Okay, so the Tsumego list. Item number. Tsumego list. Watch, where's the list? Yeah, oh yeah, there is a Firefox and Chrome plugin for 101 Weiqi. Smegalist index. Okay. Display the data, load the Tsumego. Correct event, raise the index +1. And we are going to terminate when we are at the final problem of the set. So when the Tsumego list index is Tsumego list count, then terminate this workflow. And that should work. Boom, 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 boom. And nothing happens. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted to happen. Okay. Now I need to do a catch event for when this one, when you click the number on that one. So we need to do when condition is true event every time. This is going to be when the Tsumego list cell clicked event is yes. Now, when the cell gets clicked, I believe the index is updated already, right? Let's see what happens. Okay, so let's do trigger a custom event, load Tsumego. View, load set. So if I click number 3, number 2, number 3. Okay. I forgot to reset the event. Set state. Tsumego list. Click cell event. It's now no because it's done. View, load. Okay, so this is the first one. I click number 3. Awesome. Number 2. Awesome. Number 4. Awesome. Now if I do this, this, loads number 5. Booyah! Boo-ah-yah! Okay, now I need like the freaking menu to like reload the problem and view the problem and all that fun jazz. And technically I need to make it into a reusable element. So I gotta do it again. I need to make this into a reusable element. Oh, what a cry. Okay. Okay. Let's just make a menu. This menu will need the refresh. Let's just go steal a menu. Gobon group. Yeah, let's steal this menu. Copy. Okay. We're going to put this in a row container. This container is going to not do that. Max with 800. Center. Actually, this needs to be max with 1280. Is going to do a padding of 132. This one is not going to need that anymore. And then we're going to paste the thing I just stole. Awesome. So now this should pop up. Yay, there it is. Doesn't do anything yet. There you go. Let's put a gap. 32. This is going to not be visible. Ah, crap. Which group name was it? Group F. We need to show Group F. I have 16. Okay, that's right. I have 16 bugs. What? But I haven't set any of this up. That's why. Okay, it's looking good. Looking good. Looking good. All right, so in the group Tsumego, we are going to, of course. Okay. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I just got to do tedious stuff. It's fine. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Okay, this is going to be Gobon version 2 Tsumego. Okay. Okay. Easier than I thought it was going to be. Gobon version 2 Tsumego. Gobon version 2 Tsumego. Gobon version 2 Tsumego. I like how there's only 6 stars because that's what it used to be, and I've gone up to 8. Okay. What? Okay, I understand. Copy. Paste. Boom. All right, now it's got all the levels. It's always black to play. We want this to be your little friendly dragon. Current users, photo, profile picture. Yeah. Uh-huh. Boom, boom. Okay. View, load set. 2-star problem. Fantabulous. Fantabulous. Okay. 0 users have solved this. That is a lie. Oh, that's because I didn't set it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I need to take a break and finish this later. I've been coding several hours in a row now. My brain's starting to die. If you guys are interested in trying it out, you can go here. The sets are not public yet, though. On desktop, you can do the sets on mobile, but it's still clearly in progress. But if you want to check it out, go to tsumegodragon.com. But with that, let's go and raid somebody. Who is streaming?
Though.
Bats is
I
streaming.
don't understand why.
Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoy the stream. If you have any questions, of course, send me a message on Discord and stuff. But yeah, see you guys next time.